everyone, welcome to Study Corner. So in this video I'm going to share my work education lesson plan with you guys. So our first lesson plan is on paper sunflower. So as I have already mentioned in my videos that the first thing we need to add in our lesson plan is the name of the pupil, teacher, class, subject, date, duration, topic, etc. After that, we need to write journal objectives. So in journal objectives, you can mention like to enhance the necessary skills of the students, to enhance the creativity of the students, this kind of objectives. After that, we need to write specific objectives. So in our specific objectives, I have write here like student will be able to know how to make a paper sunflower with paper sheet. After specific objectives, we need to write teaching aids. Whatever the teaching aids you are using, please mention it. The next step is previous knowledge. After previous knowledge, we need to write announcement. After announcement, we need to write presentation. So in a presentation, first of all, we need to write a little bit introduction about our product which we'll be going to make, and after introduction we need to write a procedure of making sunflower or whatever the product you are going to make. And yeah, one more important thing that you need to do in your lesson plan, that you need to paste pictures of steps like this. So these are the steps of making paper sunflower which I have mentioned here, and also these are the pictures of steps which I have pasted here. So that's all about our presentation part. Let's move to recapitulation. So in recapitulation, we need to write few questions like what material required for paper sunflower, do we need wood stick for sunflower, this type of questions. And after that we need to write homework. And after homework, we need to write one of the most important part, that is integrated with subject. So I here integrated with two subject, one is language and another one is EVS, or you can say science and social science. So in language, we can easily integrate any lesson plan with language. So like you can mention the point like student learn new vocabulary words or learn the name of material required for making paper sunflower. Similarly in EVS, they will be able to learn about how to make a paper sunflower. So yeah, that's all. So that's all about our first lesson plan. Let's move to our second lesson plan. So our second lesson plan is on plantation of nursery plant. So first of all, we need to mention same thing which I have already mentioned, and after that specific objectives. After specific objectives, we need to write material required like charts depicting diagram of material, steps of doing work, chart showing importance of planting plants. After that, we need to write previous knowledge. And after previous knowledge, we need to write announcement. And yeah, after that, we need to write presentation. In a presentation, it is very important to give a little bit introduction. So yeah, you can also ask some question why we should plant more trees. So you can also start by asking questions. And yeah, it is very important to write the procedure of plantation. So I here mentioned all steps steps of plantation. After steps, I here mentioned precautions. It is very important to mention the precautions. Like student must take care while using tools, especially khurpi, this kind of tools, and the task for preparing bat should be undertaken under direct supervision of teacher. So that's all about our presentation parts. Next step we need to write is recapitulation. So in recapitulation, you can mention some question like why we should use manure, what is the most important season for plantation, why we should plant more trees, this kind of question. This type of questions. After that, we need to write one of the most important part, and that is integrating with subject. So I here integrated with 3 subjects: language, EVS and mathematics. As I have already mentioned, it is very easy to integrate any lesson plan with language. So yeah, student learn vocabulary of